Hi viewers, welcome back to your Odoo tutorial and welcome back to my channel. Well, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, it is time for you to subscribe my channel. Thank you for that. Well, in this video we are going to talk about the inventory module of Odoo ERP. In the inventory module, we are going to talk about particularly on the product category. So how is product category working, and how is the product category important in the inventory module, and how is the product category useful for us, we'll learn in this video. So to tell you just a little bit about the product category in the run is that the product category is helping us to issue product according to the strategy of first in first out, last in first out, or first expire first out. So when we receive product in the warehouse, uh, we actually uh, mark them as a lot. So the Odoo ERP note the time and the date, and then according to that time and the date, the Odoo ERP is issuing product automatically. And to demonstrate this in the action in the Odoo ERP, let's get to the inventory module. And in the configuration tab, we can see here under the product, here is a product category. So click on this product category, it will open in a window. We can see here that there are already made product categories, though we can use them, we can modify them according to our need, but here I recommend that we should make our own product category to witness it from the scratch. So here this is the strategy. You can see the force removal strategy: first in first out, last in first out, and here is the first expire first out. We will select one of these. So in the first we will be selecting the first in first out. So write the name of the product category beverages, 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 and select the strategy is first in first out. Save this, go to the product and create one new product. The product name is Fanta, Fanta, here under the product category. Fanta product under the product category. You save this and then you go to the inventory section, and here in the traceability, go down, and the traceability section we have to select this by lot. Before this it is selected as not tracking, but when we activate this by lot, then Odoo ERP automatically follow the date and time of the receiving of the goods in the warehouse. Save this. Now we will create some purchase quotation and invoices and some sale quotation and invoices. We will receive goods and accordingly we will be issuing goods. Get to the purchase module, create new quotation or purchase order, select the vendor, select the product Fanta, quantity 5, confirm this, and in the receipt we can see here before validation we have to click this. Look at this, the detail operations. And the detail operation we add the line, and the line is the lot number 001 and quantity $5. Done. Validate this now. Now the products are received, 5 quantities in hand with the lot number 001. Create another purchase invoice, select the product Fanta, quantity 6, confirm this, receive quantities, and before you validate it, add this line. This is the lot number, this time lot number is 002 and quantities are 6. Confirm this, validate, You see these here, these are our lot numbers. Lot number 001 Fanta, and here is this created on the date and time. Okay, and all these the lot detail we can see here. Now go to the sales module in order to create sale invoice to sell these received goods. Select the customer, select the product is Fanta, and in the description and quantity are 3. We are going to sell 3 quantities. Confirm. Deliveries, you see the reserve 3, and these are going from the lot number 1 because we have in hand 5 quantities and we have sold 3 quantities out of 5 quantities. And now when we refresh this quantity in hand, it will remain 2. We got 2 inventory in hand. Yes, here it is, right. And the Odoo very intelligently issued the goods which were received first, that were issued. And now again we are going to create one sale invoice, selecting the same Fanta products. Now we have 2 quantities in hand, but we are going to sell 3 quantities, and the Odoo will now select 2 quantities from the first lot and 1 quantity from the second lot. That's what I would like to show it to you. And here are the deliveries, and look at this, we have intelligently from the lot number 1 2 quantities, and from the lot number 2 1 quantity, because the system is following the first in first out method. I hope guys you understand this, and this is very helpful when we have a lot of goods in the warehouse, and it is hard to follow them up, like which goods received first and which goods are which goods should be issued. And let's change the strategy this time, last in first out. Okay, with the last in first out method, see what is this Odoo system, how the operation is being controlled by the system. Save this product. We are going to create product this time, a new product, Fanta lemon. Under the beverages category, and every time when we make product, we will be activating that buy lot button. Go to inventory, and the bottom that traceability is activated. Now save it. Now again go to the purchase model, and we are going to create this quotation or purchase order. Select Fanta lemon, and we are going to receive the goods 3. Clear, receive, give the lot number 001, done quantities are 3, confirm. Let's duplicate this, and done quantities are 4, confirm this and receive the quantities. And here are you give the lot number 2, the done quantities are 4, and confirm this. Validate. Now if we see the lots, in the lot we have Fanta lemon and the Fanta lemon 2, and we can see the date and the time, and according to this time and the received goods, the system will issue these last in first out. Okay, last in first out. So the 4 quantities will go first. Select the customer, select the Fanta lemon product, quantities 3, confirm. Deliveries, lot serial number is selected too. You see this, if we had select this a large number, sorry, the first in first method, the system would have select the large number 001, but since the method is running the first in first out, last in first out, so the system is picking automatically the large number 002. I hope you understand this. If you have any question, you can write me anytime, it doesn't matter. So this time we are going to duplicate this, the invoice, the sale invoice. We have issued 4 quantities. Now confirm delivery. Here you can see the 4 quantities are issued, and we have 1 quantity in hand. Here we can see the Fanta lemon. From the large number 2, 1 quantity selected, and from the large number 1, 3 quantities are selected. And I hope this clear the concept. Validate. Now let's examine the last method, first expiry, first out. Create one more product, Fanta apple. Under the product category beverages, we save this, go to the inventory, activate this, but this time by lot we have to activate this expiration date. Clear? You see this by lot, and we select, when we select this expiration date, we can see that some other fields are shown here on the right side. The expiration date, the date, best before date, removal date, and alert date. When we are done with these, so on the expiration date we give the number of days, best before we give the number of days, and removal date we give the number of days, and then the system itself counting the date. See, we said expiration date 20 and best before date 18 and removal date is 19. So on the date 19, system will tell us that these goods are perishable and it is getting expired and removed. Save this Fanta apple product. With this new strategy, get to the purchase model and create, select customer, vendor, Fanta apple, 3 quantities, confirm order, receipt, and here you can see with the lot number detail operation section we give the lot number 001 and the done quantities are 2, and with this we have added one another line here, add quantities are 1. Okay, and we have done this one purchase order we have received in 2 section, the 2 units received 1 or 2 minutes before the other units. So the system will follow this for the following of expiry date. The lot number, here we can see the expiry date, the removal date. So create a sale invoice now, select the product Fanta apple, sale 2 quantities or 1 quantity, sell 1 quantity, confirm this, and the deliveries we can see here in the lot number 002 is expiring first, and this is why the system is issuing this from the lot number 002. I hope guys you understand this, and the concept of this issuing inventory, first in first out, last in first out, and first expire first out. This is very helpful in the real life, in the practical business life. This is very important because in the restaurants or in the companies, perishable goods are tagged every time when the goods arrive. The date and time are written and pasted on the goods, and then when the storekeeper go inside and he or she issue the product, it follow the rules. So the Odoo ERP helping us when we first print this purchase invoice or sale invoice. When we follow the detail under the invoice given in the invoice, we go to the warehouse and easily we pick the goods according to the specified method of the management. I hope you guys understand this in this video is helpful for us. So again, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, you guys are requested to subscribe my channel, and write me in the comment, guys, if you have any question, if you have any query. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye.